recording. There we go. Caroline, what are you? Caroline, what are you? Caroline, what are you? Robot? Whoa. Whoa. You see her do her spin? Show Daddy. Oh! Here, show Daddy how you do a spin. Kaylee. Oh, she got it really spinning fast. Show Daddy. I don't know what she did, but she got it to spin a couple of times. Oh, you want Tootie? Whoa. There, go get Tootie. Okay. Okay, bye.
Hi.
Hi. Yep, I love you. Meet Boo. Is it wrapped around? Okay, now it's wrapped around your legs.
Always.
And her head.
It always gets stuck.
Yay! Hi, Caroline. You gonna do the horsey?
Yeah.
Okay.
On here.
On there? I don't think you can, honey. It's gonna flatten. I think we have a riding pony downstairs. Bring it upstairs. Okay.
We should probably bring that up here.
Honey, it's just gonna get squished. She keeps stepping in the same spot. But trying. Look at her. Same. She's not making any progress. Okay, go get Tootie. Oh, that's Kitty. Bumpy cat. Grumpy cat robot.
Right there, stop it. Stop it. I know you're coming. Bobby cat. Bobby cat fought. Bobby cat. I saw you. Bobby, you want to hit me?
Okay, okay.
Get off. Get off.
Stop it, Wilson.
Do Dora swim?
Wait, up, down, up, down.
Up, down, up, down.
Let me swim.
Show me how you swim.
Like this. Like this.
Good swimming.
Sasha. It was me.
Okay.
Sissy,
Sissy.
Come on, get me off. It was that.
1 second.
I'm taking it. Sissy, move.
Move, Sissy.
Sissy,
My 1 second. Somersault.
Sissy, move. I did move. Sissy, me do it, Sasha. Go. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yay!
Yay! That was great.
Good job, Caroline.
Good thing Sissy moved.
You basically did.
That's not a pony, honey.
Yay!
Hi, kitten.
Get off! I want to sit here.
No, Caroline, not right now.